Today we're going to do some scale garage things. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today I am going to assemble my new RC4WD Bendpak lift. Kind of go over how it works and throw it up in the scale garage. Not throw it up, but like put it in the scale garage because I wouldn't want to eat it to begin with. Anyway. Put it in the scale garage, lift up some trucks, let you see exactly how this thing works, what it does, and then one of the things that I didn't really see anybody doing was I want to put different trucks on it and see if it will pick them up, see if it will actually move them, etc., etc. See how stable it is, because it is a little bit narrow for me as far as this way, maybe deep, I don't know. Anyway, it's a little bit... looks a little tippy, let's put it that way. So I'm going to assemble it. I've got the battery over here charging. What I'm going to do is I'll put it on here, and this is actually corrugated plastic. It's almost like cardboard. So I'm interested to see what exactly happens to that when I put this on there, because it's not heavy, but it is definitely not light. So we will see what happens. I'm going to build it. Time lapse. Let's go. Eclipse. Yuck. that pretty much wraps that up. It is not hard to get together. It doesn't go together easily. You're gonna have to have some patience, which I don't have much of, and you're gonna have to finagle with those wires pretty hard. The best thing I can tell you is to leave these posts very loose, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna tighten these down, get this in here, tighten it down and everything, and then you can come back through here once everything is all done, and you're gonna tighten all these screws that hold the post down. So we shall see what it'll pick up. There you have it. You've seen it pick up a bunch of different stuff. That little wow wow kind of noise that it's making, that's just the two screws trying to stay together. They've got switches on them and stuff like that. So that is what is going on. I like this thing a lot. If you have a scale garage and you need one, I highly suggest it. Super, super cool. If you can get the bottom together, the battery is not that hard to really get out. But I did leave that bottom plate piece out. So also, I believe the pineapple weighs just under 10 pounds. It's like 9.9 pounds or something like that. So this is picking it up with relative ease. You could probably get up to maybe like an 11-pound truck, maybe 12. The battery is also not fully charged. I just kind of charge it up. I don't let the battery charger go off. I just throw it on there, put in, 200-300 milliamps, whatever it is, and then let it go. So yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, or if you have any suggestions or whatever, tell me what you think about it, all that jazz. And that's it. Check me out on Facebook groups, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC across the board, and I will see you later.